Let's talk about Trend Shift version 2. Okay. So let's just it is Trend Shift, but it's just more complex. It has more settings. We'll talk about the settings real quick. So we have our signal time frame, we have a confluence time frame, we have our main trend time frame. These are how it comes default, just like this. And this is what it would look like if you were using this indicator just standalone, and it would print sell, right? And you could either run until you're happy with your profits, or you can trail these other trends down here. But if you look at it, it's going to tell you when to get into the sells, and um, it will not tell you to buy when we're downtrending like this. And it's good, even good for chop. So if you look over here, we're coming into some choppy areas here. Obviously, this one loses, but this one actually does come back and win. And then we get into some short little scalps right here and some short buys. But it will help you. Now you can play with the time frames and change it all around. But basically, it's using three different time frames to help you get into some better trades. Still, again, it's really good to use with key levels. So you turn on your FLB and you have your zones. What are we on right now? Let's see. That FLB setting is that's the 30 minutes candle. So we have 30-minute end caps. And if you look, we're in an end cap and we're breaking away from this zone right here. That is a very strong signal to get in and then actually trail the larger time frame. And if you look, you would get this entire move from that entry inside of that end cap, right, all the way down to right here. And that would end up being a 1400 tick run or a three risk to reward. That is a very big move in futures, especially if you're running minis. I mean, you're looking at 1,462 ticks, and you never even came into any type of drawdown, and you were able to trail the whole thing all the way down. So this is Trend Shift version 2, just an introduction. Hope you like it.